BMW's E28 generation, produced from 1981 to 1988, stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to crafting exceptional driving experiences. Revered for its sophisticated design, precise engineering, and dynamic performance, the BMW E28 has earned its place as a classic among automotive enthusiasts. The E28, the second generation of the BMW 5 Series, introduced a refined and understated design that exuded a sense of luxury and sportiness. With its distinctive kidney grille, iconic quad headlights, and clean lines, the E28 epitomized the classic BMW aesthetic. The attention to detail in its design showcased a harmonious blend of form and function. At the heart of the BMW E28 was a commitment to the ultimate driving experience. The chassis and suspension were meticulously tuned to offer a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. The driving dynamics were further enhanced by a range of powerful engines, including the legendary M36-cylinder and M88 straight-six engines, providing a thrilling combination of performance and responsiveness. The E28 was a trailblazer in integrating cutting-edge technology for its time. From onboard computers to advanced suspension systems, the E28 set new standards in automotive technology during the 1980s. The vehicle was offered with various transmission options, including the advanced electronically controlled automatic transmission, contributing to a smooth and efficient driving experience. The E28's motorsport pedigree was exemplified by the M5 variant, introduced in 1985. The BMW M5, often considered the first true sports sedan, featured the powerful M88/3 engine and performance-oriented enhancements. This model not only dominated the road but also left an indelible mark on the motorsport scene, solidifying BMW's reputation as a brand synonymous with driving excellence. Decades after its production, the BMW E28 maintains a dedicated fan base and is a sought-after classic on the collector's market. Enthusiasts appreciate its timeless design, driving dynamics, and the nostalgic connection to an era when driving was more than just a means of transportation, it was an experience. As with any classic car, the restoration of the BMW E28 has become a labor of love for many enthusiasts. The dedication to preserving these vehicles ensures that future generations can appreciate the elegance and performance that define this iconic model. The BMW E28 holds a special place in automotive history as a symbol of driving sophistication and performance. Its legacy lives on through the passionate community of collectors and enthusiasts who continue to celebrate and preserve the timeless allure of this classic BMW sedan. As the automotive industry evolves, the E28 remains a nostalgic reminder of an era when driving was an art form, and the BMW 5 Series E28 was the canvas